Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing all these UAG cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now you can buy these cases in India directly on Amazon.in or GreedyTech's official website. GreedyTech is the official seller for UAG cases in India, so make sure you check out the seller before you place an order. If you buy any of these cases on GreedyTech website, you can use their GreedyTech coupon to get 10% discount. By the way guys, I'll also be giving away these cases, so stay tuned till the end to know how to participate. So guys, now back to the cases. First we have the Plyo series case in ice color, and this is like an entry level case. Next we have two Plasma series cases, one in ice and another in ash color. Next we have two Monarch series cases, one crimson red and another one is in black. Now all these cases have been drop tested and military grade certified. So even if your phone drops with any of these cases, it will definitely survive. I'm pretty sure about that. Now let's start the unboxing with the Plyo series case. By the way, this case is priced at 2,800 rupees in the Indian market. This is the ice color Plyo case and it has these air cushion things going on the sides. And as I said, it's an entry level case, so it won't be looking as fancy or as protective as the Monarch series case. So overall, this is how it looks. Now one of the best things about the UAG cases is the overall fit and feel. You can easily pop in and pop out your phone from a case with much ease. I have tried cases from Otterbox and even priciest cases from Spigen. They are pricey, they are bulky, and they are kinda hard to pop in and pop out the phone. Anyway, this is how the Plyo series case looks like. We have all the cutouts, and as I said earlier, it has cushions on the corner and rubber material going on everywhere. It's just like a regular case, but with better materials, and it has been drop tested. Next we have the Plasma series case. This one is slightly transparent and has different materials than Plyo. On the inner side it has the honeycomb texture, which is just for show. At least that's what I think. So this is the Plasma edition case with the ice color. It's just transparent. I will show you how it looks once again in a minute. And this is the ash color. Once again it has the rubber padding on the edges all around top and bottom. So this Plasma series case offers slightly better protection than the Plyo series case. Even this case has been drop tested, it's military grade certified, and this is how it looks on the inside with the honeycomb patterns. By the way guys, Plyo series and Plasma series cases are sold at the same price of 2,800 rupees, at least as of now. Next we have these two Monarch series cases in red and black. It has a 5-layer protection with top grain leather and metal hardware. Now this one is the crimson red. It has honeycomb patterns on the inside and a very cool looking crimson red on the back. Now here's the black one, and as you can see, leather texture looks pretty good. Now overall, in terms of design, build and even drop protection, Monarch series cases are better than the Plyo and Plasma series cases. Now all these cases weigh about 40 to 42 grams, while the Monarch series case weighs around 50 to 52 grams. Even though cases themselves look bulky and heavy, once you put on the case, phone doesn't feel all that heavy. Now 45 grams or 50 grams might sound a lot, but other cases from Spigen and Otterbox, which offer this level of protection, weigh even more. Now I'm gonna try out each of these cases and show you how the phone looks with these cases on. All these cases have the right cutouts. They have a raised lip for the camera module, so even when you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is still very well protected. It even has a slightly raised lip at the top and bottom, so even when you place your phone directly on its face, like this, display is still protected. As you can see, there is a bit of grip and there is some traction, so your phone will not easily slide off. So that's a pretty good thing once again. Even the buttons are nice and clickable. Now even with this case on, you can still use wireless charging. I've tested it with all the cases. So guys, to conclude, Plyo series case is like the entry level case. It offers the lowest protection. Next we have the Plasma series case, which looks pretty and pretty good, especially if you can get the ice color to show off the phone's color. But if you want the absolute protection, then I will suggest you to go with the Monarch series case. Now for warranty, Plyo series cases and Plasma series cases have just 1 year of warranty, while Monarch series cases have 10 years of warranty. So guys, if you're planning to use your phone for a very long time, I'll suggest you to go with the Monarch series case. Others are good too, but personally I like this and I feel more confident using this case. So guys, now about the giveaway, there's a link for that in the description. Just open it up, follow the instructions, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and like us on Facebook. We'll pick a winner in a week and announce the winners in a week. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about these cases, link for that is in the description. If you have any questions or want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.